Hi guys, welcome to FX Market Strategy.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatma Ali. Today we're going to do the stock market analysis together.
So guys, we're looking at the Euro Japanese yen right now. Okay, we're just gonna take this off. And
I think it's pointing up. Euro Japanese, right?
yes, so guys, we have an up movement here, strong, nice up movement.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see here in the 4-hour time frame. In the weekly forecast, we indicated that we prefer the top side right here, to the upside. There was news from the ECB, and there is more meeting and stuff. So what we anticipate now is an up move. What is the current price?
125.
Okay, so this is current price 125.73.
Current price.
Okay, guys. What is our target?
126.52.
Okay, so this is a scenario, guys, okay, for this up move. So this is my preferred scenario. And we're gonna have the alternative scenario. Okay. If price.
If price break below support, further down is expected.
Okay. So if the price will come back down and break this support, we would expect a further down movement. Okay.
Asif Maz, hello. Hi, how are you? Screen box, hi, how are you?
Secret.
Secret box, sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can discuss this gold you opened last night.
Okay.
What was the entry price?
The entry price was 1,855.
And that was for the gold, right?
Yeah,
So yesterday.
gold. Yeah.
So it was a good call. It was a good.
Yeah,
good,
it is a good.
yeah, it was a good call from you.
Yeah.
Our stop loss at the entry price, and this is
1,856.
which is a little bit just higher above this price,
Yeah.
and this indicate that this is a risk-free trade.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, this gold trade we've had yesterday, and we announced, broadcasted online. It's a risk-free trade now. Also, the euro is okay. Bound, we also did have a buy bound yesterday. What was the
Yes.
entry price?
1.3666.
Yeah, so and now it's 1.38. So we're 140 pips to the upside, which is really good. We also
Yeah.
broadcasted this online to everyone, so that was pretty cool. Also, we've had this sale of Euro Australian. We're probably gonna close this one. It's a good profit like this. Still happy with it. Euro New Zealand also, we have a buy for Euro New Zealand, okay?
Yeah.
And we have a buy of Euro Japanese yen right now.
Yeah.
Is there any questions?
Euro dollar, we are expecting a buy. Joshua is asking if we are expecting a buy.
Joshua is asking, are you expecting to buy? Big possibility, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna just look at the euro. This is Euro AUD. This is Euro AUD. Okay, it's not Euro USD.
Yeah. Okay.
Euro. So we're gonna look at the Euro. So Euro
Euro.
Japanese yen is going really nice. Okay, I have. Okay, so let's do something really cool. If we would choose which is the best euro to buy, assuming the euro index will be going up, what is our best euro trade would be?
Franc and dollar.
Yeah, euro is strong right now, right?
And yeah.
But the weakest is USD, right?
Yeah.
So euro USD would be a good buy,
Yeah.
and the second would be euro
Yen.
Japanese yen, and that's why we also have the euro Japanese yen as our thumbnail in YouTube. So euro Japanese yen, euro USD. Would be less preferred to take euro Australian, euro New Zealand, euro Canadian. Okay, but we do expect still a little bit of up move in euro Australian, euro New Zealand, then a down move. So euro Japanese yen, is it better or worse than euro Australian buy? Euro against Japanese yen or euro against Australian?
Euro against Japanese yen.
Yes, euro Japanese yen would be a better buy because Australian kind of strong with the stock market going up. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why euro Australian. If we would look at the euro Australian right here, what would we expect is just an up move about 200 bips with the news like this. Then this is a fundamental
And
move.
to continue going down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this would be a very good sell later on. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be looking at an up wave right here, but we prefer euro Japanese yen or euro dollar over the euro Australian. We have this up wave, fundamental news from the ECB. Then after this one, we get a sell again.
Yeah.
And possibly this trend line will just be like this at that time. We're gonna hit the trend line and we're gonna come back in with the stock market going up,
Yeah.
up. With the stock market going up, because the stock market, Euro Australian is just opposite of the Dow Jones. Okay?
Okay.
So when the stock market's going up, Euro Australian will be going down.
Down, yeah.
Okay? But right now we can see the stock market going up. Euro Australian is supposed to be going down, right? But because the euro is very strong, then it will be going up. Okay? The camera shut down. That's all right. So it's just sorry, the camera battery died.
Okay.
So just Yeah, to remove it. Okay.
Okay. Thanks for good update. Secret box, pound Canadian, please. Joshua says the euro yen is better.
Yes,
Yeah,
euro yen.
we think so.
Yeah, euro yen is probably is much better. Okay. I can just tell them the battery died of the camera, so
The battery of the camera
died.
light, okay.
Died.
Died, okay.
Yeah. Sorry guys, the camera went dead, so we have to recharge the battery. So guys, please, if you have any question, we can follow up with you.
We want to check pound Canadian for secret box.
Bound. So secret box is asking about pound Canadian right here.
Yeah.
Right now, guys, we can see the pound is having a correction, but possibly this correction will be short-lived, just small like this, then go back up. Okay, so keep the eye on this one. Okay, close this one. So pound Canadian right here. I will be bullish in pound Canadian, okay? But you know, if you can wait a little bit to have a lower price will be better, okay? So just wait a little bit, have a lower price. But I'll remain bullish, and that's because I do expect the pound to be really strong. Canadian is going to be also strong, but possibly the pound is going to be stronger, okay? So I would prefer pound Japanese yen, pound CHF, pound dollar over pound Canadian for sure, okay? So if you're gonna trade the pound, your first bet will be pound Japanese yen. It's gonna be the best. Second is pound CHF, okay? The third is pound dollar. Comes fourth is your pound Canadian, pound Australian, pound New Zealand, okay? So this is in order like this. You guys, we can see Euro New Zealand good move going on right here. We discussed this one, Euro Japanese yen, Euro dollar. It's going all nice right here. It's beautiful. The Nasdaq, guys, we're just looking at 16,000. Keep this in mind, okay? This would be a good correction in pound CHF. After this correction, we can take a buy probably from here. See, guys, the euro is just flying. It's beautiful, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Frank. Osama, cool. Frank is really weak, right?
Yeah, but he's asking about the index or like euro franc or pound franc.
Yeah, yeah. What pair of the franc are you asking about? Secret box, thanks. Well, you're most welcome. Mike, Euro Bound, okay, and Bitcoin. Correct.
Here's the euro and here's the
Pound.
pound. So euro pound would be a buy, okay?
I think Euro Bound is a buy.
So we'll just look at the chart now to do analysis. This is from the VSA, but
Okay.
if we look at the chart, especially it hit record.
We'll check the chart for you. Euro New Zealand is very good trade, right?
Yeah, euro is gonna. We believe this euro bound will continue, but this is a correction wave.
Okay.
Okay. So possibly we can look at this 89.26
Okay.
as a potential move right here, and we have to watch a price action from this area. Most likely we can get a reversal from here. Okay, so this is the move right now, and the stop loss should be below this one right here, just like this. Especially you have like a lower low here, potentially can get a correction to this area, especially this area was a resistance right here. See the price come
Okay.
here,
Yeah.
then became a support. It was a support first, then became a resistance because this was broken. Then became like one time, two time, three time. So possibly we can go back to check it right here. Check it one more time. So euro bound possibly you're gonna see an up move here. Okay.
Okay. What about
Oh, we asked about Bitcoin as well,
yes.
right?
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay.
Bitcoin is a clear sell right now. It's very clear sell.
Okay.
There's a big chance we can get a possible move to the 28,000. There's a big chance, 28,000. This is a sell opportunity, not a buy opportunity at all. It's not this is gonna be a strong correction. It's not a small correction. It's gonna go up, but this is going to be a strong. So this is a good opportunity for sell, in my opinion. This
Okay.
could be the channel just to go about to see right here.
Okay.
So if this scenario will happen, because if we look, we have this wave, okay, followed by this wave right here, up, then followed by a small one, right? Followed by another one. Then we have a strong down wave. It did take this low, and that was very important. This low has been taken. So now we are below this low. So
Yeah.
if we're gonna get a sell, let's say we're gonna sell it. But this would be too crazy. So my target will be the 29,800. This will be my target. So I'm gonna sell this one. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just gonna type in Bitcoin live trading. So right here, after we get this move to continue down here, from here we can see what happened. Because from here, what can happen? We can see a small correction up like this, okay?
Or maybe it will continue going down, right?
Yeah, then most likely it's gonna continue down also,
Okay.
okay? Will be here. From 26,000, because this is very important level to pay attention to. See this level right here? This is very, very important.
Okay.
So right here, because this was a support one time, two time, okay, so that's the 20, because psychological number, 30K, right? 30,000. So 30K is,
Is it version?
yeah,
Okay.
but I think the big chance it will be taken. It has been multiple times here. So this is a channel we can see right now in the Bitcoin. It's not ready to buy it all. We can see your Japanese yen is doing really good. 73 right here, 80. That's good. Okay. So our view so far, as long as we are below 33,900, okay, this is the level we need to watch for. Very important. So the full analysis right here, as long as below, okay, this is important too. 33, let's say 34K. We are very bearish. Okay. So we're talking about 5,000 possible move right here, and that's a big amount.
Okay.
But 30K is very important psychological number because it was support one time here, support,
Time to here?
yeah, two times, the second time here, and it could be a support here, and it could break it. So we have to watch it very closely here, okay?
Okay.
Let's see if another question. This is silver.
Okay, and thank you, Mike. You're most welcome. Eurobound, did we check the Eurobound?
Yeah, we did check our Eurobound,
Okay.
then we have silver now, XAG,
Okay, let's
USD.
check the silver for Carlton.
See right here, we can see this support and resistance high levels.
Okay.
We would not recommend the sell, okay, but we do expect a correction right here. See the price going down.
Yeah.
So if you look at this one, if we can, I'll take, just take the fibonacci out.
Okay. So you don't recommend the sell?
Yeah, but we do expect one wave down.
Why? Why if it's going down? Why don't we?
Because this is a correction sell. It's not the major trend.
Okay.
Okay.
So you actually expect that it will continue going up after the
Yes.
correction?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see this is going up, right?
Yeah.
Big time, right? It's going up. And also we do expect the dollar to be weak, okay? So here it's at the top of the channel. So any wave down and
Okay.
start bouncing back up in a small time frame, let's say 15 minutes, then
Yeah, actually the next candle is being.
yeah, but this is only 15-minute candle, small,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So we are still bullish in, no, we're looking for an up move still, okay?
Okay.
Possibly we're looking at,
So you don't recommend a sell, neither a buy or what?
yeah, we should wait a little bit to take a buy,
Okay.
and we can get either one of those two levels. So we should wait to take a buy,
Okay.
okay, with price action. So if we can wait this to come down here, possibly it was after a minute or so, here from this area, and if we get a price action to come back above here, then we can take this buy.
Okay.
We need to watch out this area. See right here, that has been like a support, strong one. Okay, so we have a very strong level here, which has been holding as a support to resistance area twice. See, is holding again right here,
Okay.
this one. So we need to break above this 20, like we take it from, like let's say 25 level or so, from lower price to take a buy.
Yeah.
The euro Japanese yen is doing really good right here.
Yeah.
And the Bitcoin also start to kind of going down a little bit. Okay, so this right now we can see it all the way down to 25, 26, coming down all the way here. If we get the right price action after
Yes.
this correction to the upside,
Yeah. We should take a sell.
uh,
Buy.
yeah, if this coming now, we take a sell now, it's a little bit risky. But if it comes down,
Yeah.
start bouncing back and going back up, potentially a buy, potentially a buy. Okay, so this is what we can see right now. But it's always good to trade with price action, okay? If you take it with price action, what we mean with price action, if it's coming down like this, don't trade it yet, okay? It will come down like this. Don't open a buy here. You need to wait
Yeah.
till the price will bounce back and start going back up. You can open a buy at the same price, but in the way up, not in the way down. And that's a big difference. Why? Because if you buy in the way down, it may just break this support and continue going down,
Yeah.
and you will be stuck with it, right?
Yeah.
But if you take the price action to the upside and you open
Yeah.
a buy in
To
the
current
upside,
price, that
Yes.
might continue going up.
yes, because
Yeah.
you have indications start to go
Yeah.
up. Okay. So you have this. Okay.
Carlton, you're most welcome. Doreen, hello. Hello, Doreen. Gary, fly to the moon. All right. Doreen, what about the Australian dollar? Okay, we'll check it for you.
We're probably going to make a new high this year in the Australian USD, guys. Watch out. This probably very close to what? Since when this is all the time high? So since 2018, guys, this is all the time high. This is making new highs. Look at guys, look at the Bitcoin going down. We have
euro dollar for 60. Okay.
yeah, it's making a profit of
Yeah.
$60, and we have Euro New Zealand also.
Yeah. All the trades are winning.
Ooh, look at this, nice, because the news right now. Oh, nice. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Good call.
Congratulations, guys, in the real estate.
Euro Japanese yen, yes.
Yours,
Euro Japanese yen, if you guys in profit.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can see a really strong movement to the upside and the euro yen. So congratulations, guys, if you actually talk this trade, like we good for euro Canadian, right? And if you want to have our
Trading Signal app.
Signal app, this is the link. Please check it out. Joshua wants to.
So first the Australian USD we still expect to continue going up also.
Okay.
Also Euro CAD, yes, possibly, it's all the euros going to be strong because the news, but Euro Japanese yen, Euro CHF, Euro dollar is better than Euro Canadian, Euro Australian,
Yeah,
Euro New
because
Zealand.
both are kind of strong.
Yes,
Euro
Canadian.
is strong, but
Canadian
is strong
as well.
compared to yen and
Yes.
USD.
So guys, what we can see here is Euro is going to be strong against Japanese yen and dollar and CHF. So we'll prefer this bullish position over Euro Australian, Euro New Zealand, Euro Canadian. But at the same time, we still can see a move in Euro Australian, Canadian, New Zealand to the upside. Then later on, we'll come back down. Okay.
Charge. do you have any question? If you don't have a question, you can share with us.
Look at this.
That's good.
Very good.
Yeah, that's very good.
Just counting our money.
Why would you close it?
Usually in
Why did you close all of the trades?
in the news, usually you want to scalp the news, wait a pullback, then enter again.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay, so we are gonna wait a pullback a little bit, and then enter again later on.
Okay. So we will enter the euro again, right?
Yeah, after a
Okay.
correction or
After
something.
the correction, we will enter.
But if someone is doing a swing trade or something, that was kind of scalping. If
Okay.
someone is swinging it, then he can wait and take a long position.
Okay.
Australian is so what's can go up maybe. We can see the silver is going down right here
Okay.
as expected. Also Bitcoin going down. Okay, so we can keep this Bitcoin right for now.
Hanif Usman Aslam brother, okay, after a very long time.
Hey brother Osman, how are you?
Okay.
Alaikum salam brother. Long time no see. Pound dollar wait a correction and just take a buy in my opinion. So we're gonna wait if the price is good, you know, if it goes with your opinion, then we can take a long. If you swing it, then you can just hold it. Okay.
Antonio, thank
I
you
missed-
very much.
You're welcome, yeah. Thanks, Antonio, as Fatima said. Mr. Osman saying the Signal app is for phone and not for PC, laptop, right? Yes, it's for the phone. It's an application, phone application.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wave Rider, you used the Phipps level to determine where the price is going.
I will just use it for a target area because it has a high potential.
Okay.
Okay, so that's all. Not determine direction, just determine where to take profit as a potential area to take profit. Okay. So. You too, brother Osman.
Do you guys have any question? Please share with us if you have a question. We can help.
See the pound start going up right now.
Okay.
So possibly we can start taking some pound positions. Here would be the best pound against Japanese yen or against Australian, but I would prefer against Japanese yen.
Still the euro is strongest.
Yes, euro is going to continue to be strong a little bit. But that's okay, we got some rough out there. So we're going to be going for the pound Japanese yen.
Why especially the pound? Why didn't we take the...
Because euro already we did take some trades in it, so we do wanna enter again.
and the trust?
Yeah, CHF is a little bit has a story. So pound yen right here, we can take a look. We can go for 142.50. It's an immediate profit. Look at this. Isn't that amazing?
Wow, yeah. Let's check if we have any questions.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Do you think euro dollar is going down now because I see you're out the trade?
Not necessarily, it's just because we had too many positions open, so we just to get out, that's all. But possibly it's probably going to continue going up.
Doreen, you're most welcome.
It's probably going to go. We talked about this. See, remember the ABCD completed better, and we talk about the higher lows here, and we expect this to go all the way up here. Take profit 1.2230. It still has about 100 more pips to go up. Still big potential to continue going up. Okay. So we can take a position. That's okay.
Antonio, will you guys be doing this every night? Or just temporary? Yeah, we will be doing this every night.
So just gonna share our link if you guys want to join hotforex, okay? If you want to open a trade. We also want to show you guys about the, I have to stop this one for a little bit.
So guys, we will be explaining the copy trade at hotforex now.
So you guys, if you're familiar with hotforex right here, or is it just a partner with them? So this is the website right here, and the cool thing, if you guys into soccer and stuff, so that's pretty cool. So the cool thing is about HF copy trade, guys. Okay, if you can join and make your own copy trade account, you open my strategy provider account, then your account will be listed here. Okay, then you're gonna request, let's say between 10 to 50% of the profit you would be making. So it's based on a profit share. So you'll be requesting a specific amount of the profit you make for other people, and you can get followers. This is from the page. So this is number one person. Okay, that's his account. The gain is, is this number, and the drawdown is this one, and the followers is this amount, 376. Stability score, he has got number one, depends on and he has been in the website for 413
days.
13 days, okay? So if we click on it, you can follow by just click follow, then you will be following this copy trade person. So you guys, you can either follow or you can make your own copy trade strategy, okay? Says active since
11, 12, 29, 19.
Yeah, so it's been a while there.
Okay.
And he's got this number, 13,000% gain.
Okay.
That's the drawdown. He's got
376 followers.
yes, and he requests a 35% performance fee. Okay, so if he makes a profit of $1,000 in someone's account, he will be requesting a 35%. So he will be taking like $330 or something from every 1,000 he would be making. Okay. So you guys, this is also a chance if someone wants to run his copy trade, and he make his copy trade. Either he wants to follow good traders, or he wants to make his own copy trade. Okay, this is the system is really good. The software is really, really good. Okay, Stability score has got 1%. This has a graph, the gain, the average gain, the deposit withdrawal. Okay, so all these red ones are withdrawals. This one is a deposit. You can see right here he had a big drawdown, and that's why he
Yeah.
had to inject some money to his account. But later on, he was able to build his account again to a good performance. Okay. Can we say how much he made every month right here?
Okay, Jan, he didn't. February,
Yes.
he didn't.
He didn't open the account at that time. He started in March, right?
Okay, he
So
started.
it's probably, yeah, he started
Yeah.
trading in March.
Yeah, he started in March, so he gained 1,619.38. In April, he gained 68.8. In May, he gained 22.75. In June, he gained 47.61. July, he lost 0.08. August, he lost 12.09. In September, he gained 6.48. October, he gained 11.55. November, 9.6. December, 30.09. That's the year. So the whole how much he gained at the year was 7,722.84.
Yes.
Okay. Also in 2019, in December, he gained 69.16 and 69.16 for the whole year. 2021, in June, he gained 0.52 and the whole year was 0.52.
And his total is
Yeah.
quite high right here, okay?
Yeah,
This is the equity curve, the blue one,
yeah,
the green one. The blue is the balance,
Balance,
deposit and
yeah.
withdraw, okay?
okay.
So you can see the equity was higher right here, so it means he was in profit. When it come down here, he closed his positions.
Okay.
Right here, he had a big spike, big time. So he must have hit the, jackpot or something. That was his lucky time. Huge amount of profit right here. Like that was a big spike of performance. After this was very steady. It just every time he will grow his amount, he will just withdraw amount here.
Okay.
So $400, and that's a signal account. You don't have to put so much money to open a signal account. Like $500 is good enough. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So he's got 376 followers.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of people to follow, and each one has his own amount. So maybe someone is following with $10, but maybe someone following with $100,000. We don't know. Okay.
Let's check their
Yeah.
comments.
Yeah. Right. Oh yeah. If we have a comment, I'm checking right here.
Okay. There's any questions?
Okay, we can check what his balance and equity and all that stuff also, just to share the performance, just to give an idea, a rough idea,
financial, you want me to share with them financial?
Yeah, financial statistic, trading.
Balance with $1,067.38, equity $1,067.38, deposit $500, trading. Okay, he traded New Zealand dollar 1.7%, dollar yen 7.
Euro Japanese yen, yes, here, and USD
okay.
CHF. And his major trading is cable here,
Yeah,
pound
dollar.
USD, which is 31.9%, almost 32%.
That's something.
That's 35% of his trading, 30% of his trading.
Okay.
All his gold trader also an Australian USD, so you can mostly say he's between the dollar and Japanese yen pairs.
Yeah.
Okay, also euro bound, Australian, New Zealand.
He's
A low bound also because he has got
dollar,
the bound.
Canadian pound, dollar, and euro dollar.
Yes.
These are the
Right here. Okay.
number of closed trades 722, number of open trades 0, positive closed trades 559.
That's a very good number
Yeah.
because almost 560 from 722. That's really high number.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Negative closed trades 163. Profitability, right?
Yeah, percentage of profitable closed trades.
Okay.
So if we take this percentage, the 559 out of the 722, it will make 77%.
Okay. Average profit $26.6. Average loss $32.64. Average lot size 0.12. Average trade length 3 hours 20 minutes and 38 seconds.
I think the gold is start a bullish movement right here. So
Really?
yeah,
Okay.
we can gold right here. Yeah,
Okay.
gold. If you go small time frame.
Okay. You took a sell?
In which one? Gold? No, we didn't open a trade yet. But in the hour, I like this candle right here because it did come to touch the trend line. Start right here.
Okay.
So I'll be okay, but I will take a small lot size, only 0.2.
Okay.
Okay, because if it drops, then I can buy again.
Okay.
I'll be targeting 1890, the one we discussed about
Okay.
right here. Pound, the Japanese yen is doing good.
Australian dollar is
Euro USD is a little bit down, but not too much.
okay.
But gold, hopefully this will continue. Also, we had a question about the silver. Silver and gold are going to move the same direction.
Okay.
Something to keep in mind. So just because we were not showing the screen, right here in the gold, there's a chance this can go up, okay? So just don't be too heavy or anything, but there's a chance it will continue. But don't be too heavy because this may continue going down as well. So
Okay.
just take some, if you're gonna take a buy, take something small. If you look at this trend line just like this,
Maybe they can wait a little
Yeah,
bit.
you can also wait. If you want to wait, guys, you can wait. It's your choice, of course. But because possibly we can gonna see the dollar going down with the stock market going up, so that's why I'm bullish in the gold. Okay, I'm bullish in the gold. We can see the gold continue to go up. So this will be my view right here. Just like this, I'll be happy with this
I
1890.
think that's a correction.
Yeah, this correction then gonna go up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happened. I hope we don't lose in it.
Yeah,
You know.
me too.
Okay, so we just we can continue right here. So finish with this, just
Yeah.
explaining. Average lot size only 0.12 because this is a signal account. So it doesn't open big lot size, just something small. Just to deliver the signal to the traders that are following him, okay, or the investors following him.
Okay.
He's intraday, between intraday and scalping, because only average hours for each trade is only 3 hours.
Okay.
Some trades may be in 5-10 minutes, some trades may stay 1-2 days, but his average is 3 hours. So he's between scalping and intraday trading. He's not a swing trader at all, okay?
Okay.
His average profit is $26. So if you consider the lot size 0.12, so he's only making, each 0.1 is $1. So he's making only 30 bips per trade. So that's a scalping style.
Bad. Is it bad?
It's not too bad. It's good. Okay, average 26 in this lot size. So if you take it in consideration to the bib movement, because each currency has a different bib value. So if you take it as an average, you talk about 30 bips per trade, which is kind of between scalping and intraday trading. It's not definitely is not holding something for long term.
Okay.
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 And this is good when you have a lot of people getting in and out, because in copy trading people want to a quick trades, so they can decide if you're gonna continue.
Actually doesn't.
Yeah.
Doesn't continue much, right?
Yes, they don't want to long trades in the copy
Short
trading. They
trades,
want
right?
shorter trades. Yeah,
Yeah.
they want shorter trades. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
The trading activity lately had a sell in the pound dollar, and that's probably understood because the pound was hitting very close to the top, the 2018 high. So a lot of people are gonna go and they are gonna short the pound dollar, and our forecast was actually hitting higher, breaking this high and making a new high, and we do expect the dollar to go further down. So our forecast was bullish in the pound dollar. We have been buying pound dollar, and we do expect to continue going further, and also pound Japanese yen. So this was understood that taking this sell, minus $9. It ended up in loss. It's okay, but he had a profitable one right here, another profit one here. You can see his scalper, because they only make $4, but that's in a small account. If you follow him with a bigger account, of course, this number is going to be much different.
Yeah.
In this minds. But he's a scalper, and he does not hold something for a big loss or a big profit, which
He loses a lot.
in this one and this one, three times,
4
and
times. He
yeah.
only won twice.
yeah. But this is just a small short record.
Yeah.
Maybe had a bad day or something.
Okay.
But and you can see all in the cable, all the same currency, pound dollar. Okay. So he has one in buy, and it's just a scalp in it. It's nothing. It's nothing big. Okay, guys. If you want to join, you can. They have a tight spread, and you can use a Visa or Mastercard, all this payment stuff. Okay. So just this a good opportunity if someone wants to do a copy trading business to kind of
You share the link with them, maybe.
Yeah. We just shared the link with you guys if you want to join. Minimum first deposit is $100. Okay. But to open a copy trade, probably you want to use something like $500 or so. Okay. It's better to use about $500. Okay. If we go back here, so that's only one person. Okay, you can see a lot of other persons right here. This person has 150 people following, 10 people following, someone from Indonesia, Vietnam, different countries, Mexico, from Iran, from Colombia, so there's different people from different countries. So if you guys, a lot of people from different countries, so if you guys want to join, you guys are most welcome. We would share the link with you guys again. Look at this gold trade. It's not bad, huh? So far, the gold is not bad.
That's good.
That's good, huh?
Yeah, it's very good.
Good catch up.
Yeah.
Hopefully, it will continue up.
Yeah, I guess it will continue going up.
Yeah, I hope so. Usually, with the ECB, they will talk in the conference. They will send the gold down, take the euro up. But then this becomes opportunity. So opportunity to buy, but also, a lot of consideration into it. But Let's see what happened.
I can see the chart. Joshua? Yeah, we were explaining something at
Yes.
yeah, we were explaining things.
Chart should start showing right now after a second or so.
We will start the chart now.
Yeah, right here.
It was called trap. Yeah, the gold is going up now. Right, yeah.
It's a bull trap when the price will make a movement to the upside, get everybody in the buy, then it will go down. So it's a buyer trap.
Wow.
So it's this goal. I think it was just.
So you think it will go up and continue down, right?
See what happened here? It did come down, so a lot of people want to sell. Then after this, it becomes, but because it's not really a sell, it was just a correction. It's just a trap.
Yeah.
So it's a bearish trap. Okay. Then after this, if you get right here, then you will be in the good trend. Okay. So this was a bearish trap because a lot of people got to sell it. Then it just quickly did bounce to the upside.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is just, you need to know the fundamental, how does it affect, and also if you guys have been following the ECB for a long time, you would know almost every time for the last year, the ECB meeting will send the gold down and the euro up. That has been happening for the last almost 1 year of meetings. So. Okay guys, so thank you guys for joining us today.
Thank you guys for watching, and we did analyze the stock market today. My name is Fatma Ali and Mr. Salman.
Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye.